Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very experimental. Please stay tuned and let me know what you think, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, share it as well, and let's get chatting. Enjoy the rest of the video. I had this curly weave that I wanted to sew in, but I had no idea what to do with my leave out because I didn't want to have the hassle of blending my leave out with the weave. So I thought, why not braid the leave out, like give it a little boho braid effect. So that's what I ended up doing in this video. So please stay tuned, watch till the end, and I have a little trick I used to camouflage the tracks from showing once I braided the leave out. If you have any questions for me, comments, thoughts, please leave them down below. I would love to get your feedback on this. Bye for now.
Anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I decide to do on my way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? You want go? All the Bentley. And packaging in a one night for shows. I'm juggling flow like the ocean. My port, I'm paddling. Shout out Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a I be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all the Bentley.
Take a look inside your heart, is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm like